Now you say states and capitals, okay? Ladakh, Puducherry, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Daman and Diu, Chhattisgarh, Jammu and Kashmir, T, Goa, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Gujarat, Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Maharashtra, Manipur, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, Rajasthan, Tripura, Nagaland, Kerala, Mizoram, Mizoram, Telangana, Bihar, Karnataka, Assam, Punjab. Clap, Samu.